In this video, I will show you how to create product category page in WooCommerce. Let's get started. So what you can do is you can scroll down until you can see the options right here for plugins. So you can click on this right here. And then once you have done that, you just need to actually see the plugins that you store. Now, if you want to add a new plugin, click on this add new right here. So the first plugin that you need is this Elementor right here. If you don't have this yet, you can click on this add new plugin right here in order to search for Elementor in order to actually install it. So since I've already installed that Elementor, I just need to head over right here to my products and then scroll until I see the categories. So for the categories, you can add new category that you have right here, or you can also edit out any category that you have in here. So I have this summer category and I want to create a page for this one. So if I want to actually create a page for this, what I can do is I can click on the pages part of my actual WooCommerce. So here's pages right here. Click on this add new page. And then once you have done that, this will open right here a blank page that will show you any options or any elements that you can add. But first, it will ask you if you want to choose in here a template that can be for your store services or about page from in here, or it can also be a blank page if you want as well. So for this one, let's choose in here the appropriate page template that we can use for this. So since we're actually making a collection or a category page, let's choose this gallery page description read, and we will present in here all of the products we have on that particular category. So let's choose this one. And then as you can see, it will actually show us what it will look like. And this is what our page looks like, as well as you can also add some block if you want selected them. So as of right now, the status is draft, and you can also publish it immediately. So it's actually a default template. And in here, once you have clicked on that image, you can click on this replace option right here. So let's replace that. And then let's try to upload in here an image that we will use. So for this one, let's upload this particular image right here. Then as you can see, it's been added. Now we can also try to link it. So let's click on this image again, click on these three dots. You can duplicate it, copy it, the styles and everything that you have right here. You can also create pattern for this one. So once you have clicked on this, you can create categories for this as well. So you can also have in here a few more options that can help you add tags, do tone filter, drag, and also a parent block. So in here, you can also add in here a new image. So for example, let's replace it also with another image that we have on our media gallery. So you can also see all of the media galleries that you have for this one. I will choose this. And as you can see, it's been updated. Now you can also do so on the other things that you have for this one. So if you think that is kind of limiting, you can also choose this edit with Elementor option. Once you have clicked on that edit with Elementor, you will be prompted to leave the site and you will be given a lot more options that you can choose from on the Elementor website. Don't worry because it's still integrated. The page looks like right now, so it's actually kind of messy. So you can choose a layout right here. It can be container or a grid. You can add those few things that you want as well. If you want to delete particular parts, you can select them. And then once you have selected them, you can also have the option to duplicate, but here's the delete option right here if you want to delete it. So I have actually deleted the gallery page that I have earlier. So for this one, we can actually choose in here an option for the post, carousel, or animated headlines, and all of these things that we have for this one. So for example, for this, let's try to use some things that we have for now. So we can choose in here a grid. So let's choose in here a grid. And then it will be added right here. Now you can also drag this up by just like that. As you can see, it's been added. Now you can also click on this heading page right here that you have. And you can choose the heading that you want to replace this particular one. So we have in here our grid as well and all of the things that we have as well. So you can also add a few more headings that you want for this one if you want to as well. You can also have the option to delete it right here. Now in here, you can also try to change up things like you can add images, video, and the likes for this one. So for example, let's try to add in here an image on the gallery that we have, on the grid that we have right here. Now you can add in here a few more things, like for example, an image. So let's add in here an image that we can choose from. Let's click on choose image right here. And then let's choose the images we have on our summer collection, which is this one as well as this one. You can choose which ones you want to use. So for me, I have added that particular image. Now it requires caption. And you can also put in here an optimized image right here. And then once you have done that, it will take some seconds for this particular image to add. But if you can see that it's been added on here, you can also move it just like this, or to parent the container grid that we have as well. So you can have that option if you want to. So this empty grid that we have right here has its particular options like container layout, with items, flow, and all of these things right here. So you can choose which styles or advanced overlays you want to use for this one. Once you're done adding things or adding some few more things, you can drag widgets or edit out few more things as well. And then once you have done that or satisfied with everything, close on this publish option. And then once your actual category page has been published, you should be ready to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.